Hey everyone, this is my DIY bench coffee table build, start to finish. So let's do this. This is my router sled that I made myself. I have these old pallet ends here, and then I just made this router sled for the top. Glides up and down real easy. So I just have my plunge router here. That's the wood that I cut up that I'm using for the slab. I have a thing for my chainsaw where I can mill my own wood to whatever depth I want, up to 5 inches. So this is a very loud, dusty, noisy apparatus. I don't like routing slabs very much because they're so noisy and it takes so long. Here's a little sample. So you definitely want some ear protection for that. Doing slabs is fun. I enjoy it, but I can only do so many of them. I mean, people just don't want to spend money for anything anymore. And as you saw on the finished product, it looks really nice. Put a lot of time into it. It takes a lot to get them flat. It's a lot of cleaning. You got to have the router sled. You have to flip this thing 2 or 3 times, doing each side, like 1/8 of an inch each pass, multiple passes on each side. I mean, you have to really enjoy this to want to do it. I mean, it's crazy. I put these on sale. What I put into them, I have the slabs, which if I had to buy these slabs, just that would have been $80 each one. And then you have to stain it. You have to do a seal coat. You have to put legs on it. You have to market it. It takes time to do that stuff. So I'm putting on the lowball price $200 and they're still not selling. And this one I even put bow ties in. But anyway, after flattening the slabs, I get down to a 220 grit. So it's nice and smooth, but not too smooth. So it'll take up the stain real nice. These are the legs I got off of Amazon. They looked real sharp on there. And now I'm cutting my bow tie wood. I have my Japanese, what do you call them, cross saws. Figuring out my bow ties. Here I cut them out with my bandsaw. While I'm making these tables in particular, I found out you could make a video on everything. You could make a video on making bow ties. You could make a video on making a slab. You could make a video on making a slab sled. I could make a video on, so this is just like a general overview of me making these benches. If there's any part in particular you want to see, drop it in the comments below. I mean, I'm real simple with my builds. I don't have the most expensive tools. I don't have very many tools, but I turn out pretty good looking product, I think. So this is with the stain. I use an Espresso stain, and then I use this high performance flat top coat, just extra protection. And this is me brushing that on that top coat. And after it dries, it's not real shiny. I didn't want it shiny. I've been using special walnut a lot, and this I went a lot darker with the Espresso. I've been getting really good feedback with them. I sold both of these, one for 200, one for 250. It took a while. I mean, I would have liked to sell them for 400. I mean, you look on Wayfair, you look on anything else, and slab benches. I mean, people are buying them for $800. Look at that finished product. That's nice stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. They took a long time. Really, really proud of these. And that's the main thing. Enjoy woodworking. I mean, I don't understand how people make money on it. You got to have kind of the clientele set up, don't you think? If you're just doing it out of your garage and you're doing a piece here and there, you're not going to be making a whole ton of money. I'm not anyway. So there you go. And I just want to share this with you guys. Took me about 3 months because I was being real pokey with it. So like, subscribe, share. Talk to y'all later.